Introducing the Avalon Ant Nest. Versatile, beginner friendly and possibly the best 3D printed ant nest on the market. Welcome to Aesthetic Ants. Today we're excited to introduce something truly special. The Avalon Ant Nest. This nest is a result of years of design, testing and refinement, and we're incredibly proud to finally share it with you. The Avalon Nest is not just any other nest. It is a thoughtfully engineered, feature-rich home for your colony, perfect for both beginners and experienced ant keepers. In fact, it might just be the best 3D printed ant nest available today. Let's dive into the unboxing and walk you through all its features. First, a quick note. The Avalon Nest comes in two versions, one with large chambers and one with smaller chambers. In this video we'll be showcasing the version with smaller chambers, which is ideal for species like Messer, Phaedolia and Lasius. Larger chambers are better suited for Camponotus and other big-bodied ants. When you order the Avalon Nest, it comes fully pre-assembled. All you have to do is take it out of the box and remove the protective film from the red and black acrylic shield on both sides. That's it, your nest is ready to go. Inside you'll find a hydration plug already installed. We recommend using this default plug, but we've also included a second plug made out of white tongue in case you need higher humidity. We're still testing which option works best long term, so depending on when you're watching this video, there may already be an official recommendation on our site. Swapping the plugs is easy, and the hydration system itself is one of the Avalon's biggest strengths. The plug absorbs the water from the large reservoir beneath the nest and distributes it upward, keeping the nest comfortably moist. Ants can also drink directly from this source, though we still recommend offering an external water source as a backup. On top there's a cap in the center of the nest. This prevents unnecessary evaporation and can be removed to refill the reservoir below. With a small colony like Messer barbarus, this reservoir can last 2 to 3 months before needing a refill. That's both low maintenance and luxurious. To help maintain the ideal temperature, there's a built-in arm to secure the heat cable along the top side of the nest. Heating from below isn't possible with this design, but a top mounted cable works perfectly. Need to connect the nest to an outworld? No problem. It's compatible with the Esthetic 10mm flexible tubing for secure, easy setup. That covers the features of the Avalon Nest. Let us know in the comments which species you plan to house in yours. As mentioned, the small chamber version is ideal for Messer, Phaedolia and Lasius, while the larger chamber version is great for Camponotus. Messer barbarus in particular thrive in this setup, thanks to the clear separation between the moist brood area and the dry seed storage zone. Keep in mind that the Avalon is a larger sized medium nest. We recommend moving your colony into it only when they can occupy at least 50% of the space. Not sure if your colony is ready? We have a video explaining when and how to move your ants into a bigger nest. Check that out for guidance. The Avalon Nest is available now for $29.95, both versions same price. Grab yours today and enjoy a smarter, simpler ant keeping experience. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.